Your Google Workspace email ending up in a spam folder, getting rejected by recipient servers, or failing authentication checks? The problem might be with your DKIM settings. DKIM stands for DomainKeys Identified Mail. It is a critical email authentication method that proves your email are actually coming from your domain and haven't been tampered with DKIM. In this video, I'll show you how to diagnose and fix DKIM authentication issues in Google Workspace step by step. And if you need more help, you can call us on the numbers on the screen for quick assistance. Let's begin with the process now. The very first thing you need to do is go to your Google Workspace admin account. After that, click on the Apps option. Next, scroll down and click on the Gmail account. Now, what we do is click on the Authenticate Email option. On the Open page, ensure that your domain name is selected under the Selected Domain section. After that, go to the bottom right side and click on Generate New Record. When a new prompt appears on the screen, then ensure that 2048 is selected in the drop-down and click on Generate option. Next, under the DNS hostname, copy the text and go to your domain provider. There, you need to select the Add Record option. If you're finding these steps easy to follow, then make sure to subscribe to our channel. And if you're facing any other problem, please tell us in the comments section. Now, in the Type drop-down, select TXT and under the name, paste the copied text. Then, jump back to Google Workspace Admin and copy the content under the TXT record value. Next, head to the domain provider and post the content. Simply go ahead and click on the Save button. Now, go to the Google Workspace Admin once again and click on Start Authentication option. It can take around 48 hours to completely propagate, and after that, your problem should be resolved.
If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and share it with others. For more detailed and easy to follow guides, subscribe to our channel or visit help-emailtails.com. You can also contact our experts at the following numbers for seamless one-on-one assistance.